Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chunkiest Duo. This is Jordan, and in today's video I have an important weather update, as we do have some severe weather currently going on, and we should see more later today as well. And we also have some activity in the tropics in the Atlantic, Eastern Pacific, and Western Pacific Oceans. So anyways, let's get straight into today's video. So first of all, here's our severe weather threat for today. We have a slight risk of severe weather across western Nebraska, and another slight risk of severe weather mainly across southeastern Colorado. Our tornado risk for today is relatively low, but we do have a 2% tornado risk across western Nebraska and northeastern Kansas, and then another one across southeastern Colorado where you could see a tornado or two today. We have a large 5% wind risk from south central South Dakota through western Kansas and eastern Colorado all the way into northeastern New Mexico and the western Texas Panhandle, where we could see some scattered damaging wind gusts. And we also have the risk of some large hail today across western Nebraska, southeastern Colorado. Now, looking at the National Hurricane Center, we have one area of interest at the Atlantic. This has a 30% chance of development in 7 days, although no chance of 48 hours, as a tropical wave will emerge off the west coast of Africa on Sunday, and it could develop as it moves farther west across the tropical Atlantic. Now, the Eastern Pacific is somewhat busy. We have this area of interest, 20% in 48 hours and 70% in 7 days. This will likely form into a tropical depression, and this will likely be a tropical storm at peak intensity. Now we have this other system. The probabilities in 7 days have gone down, and the probabilities in 48 hours have gone down. I do still think this has a pretty good chance of forming, but for now it doesn't look as favorable as it once was. And then looking at the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, no areas of interest, although we do have Tropical Depression 20, which if we look at the warning graphic, is pretty much already made landfall essentially, and it's going to cause some minor flooding and moderate flooding, and thus really no storm force winds. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this, please like this short, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.